Hey PowerPoint users, need to insert a PDF into your presentation? Whether it's for adding additional content or reference material, I will show you how to do it smoothly. Let's get that PDF into your slides. Once you're in your PowerPoint presentation, head over to the slide you want to put your PDF file in and go to Insert. In the Insert, you can see if you hover on these icons, this icon shows us the object option. Click on it. Here you can see it is selected in Create New. We have to change it to Create Form File. Click on Browse. And here you can search for the document you want to put in your presentation. My one is in desktop. So once you're okay with your choice, click on OK. Again, click on OK. And here you can see your PDF file is just added to your PowerPoint slide. If you double click on it, it takes you to the PDF file. Now, in your PowerPoint slide, you just need to adjust the place of your PDF. And there you go. Your PDF is now part of your PowerPoint presentation. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching and good luck with your presentation.